Alright guys, welcome back. WRX Garage here. We got another video for you guys today. Today, we're finally doing my brakes. I know I've been talking about it all summer, but we're finally gonna do it. So, we got the FactionFab kit. Same one that Kevin got, but this is just for the WRX, because he has the Brembos now. So, we're going to pull these off, and we're gonna show you guys a little bit, like a time lapse of putting them on, and most importantly, how they feel. The anti-bitter. Now I already have the Stop Tech pads on here, but they're already pretty warm, but I really needed the rotors. My rotors are pretty much shot now. And I do a lot of driving, so sorry about the mess. But yeah, we're gonna get this done real quick. It's cold. I'm in a short sleeve. So let's just get this done. All right, sorry Kyle, we interrupt this video because guess what came in? The giveaway exhaust. So I wanted to show you guys real quick the polished tips. Man, that looks good. So, don't forget, it's going to be in the link in the description. Enter to win. It's free. You don't have to buy anything from us. You got to click a few buttons, and you guys could win this exhaust or the pitch mount. All right. Sorry, Kyle. Sorry for interrupting. I didn't mean it. Back to you. All right, there we go. Went for the slotted, and I love that this is black. That's gonna look so good. And I love the slotted look. Now you guys don't want to get drilled unless you're gonna really track your car like every weekend, because drilled is actually worse the daily drive because it gets hot and all the little holes, little stretch fractures happen in between the holes. So that's what we got. We got fronts and rears. It does come with brake lines if you guys get the kit. I'm not going to do the brake lines today because I don't feel like bleeding my brakes, but I will probably put those on in the summer, make it a little bit easier. Filthy under here.
All right, there it is. There's the stock caliper. My brake pads are actually in pretty good shape. I could probably sell these. Nice. Okay, rotor off. So here are the FactionFabs. We have a really nice, what they call an E-coating, which is all this black coating, which helps reduce oxidization. Actually, basically eliminates it entirely. As you can see here, some really nice veins on the inside for cooling. And these are honestly just like the best for your bang for your buck you're gonna get compared to the stock ones. Old and nasty.
All right, first one's done. Fronts. Looks good. Still gotta clean that. Coilover's looking good too. Through the winter. Too dark. Oh, there we go. Still looking good. Yep, pretty easy. Kit works out well. They slide right in. One tip if you're doing these metal clips go to the bottom on both sides. That makes it a little bit easier. And we're moving on to the backs now. All right, the rears are done. You can see it looks so good. I love the black too. That black piece, it just makes the silver shine more. Makes you can see it. So once my wheels don't look absolutely horrendous, it would look so good. I can't wait for it to be springtime and warm weather already. Yeah, it looks so good. So far the kit has been very, very, very easy to do. I mean, it's just brakes, it's not something hard. Anyone can do it, but then there's the fronts. Really good. We're gonna finish up the other side, then we'll go for a quick drive. Alright guys, so we finished putting the brakes on. I wanted to wait a couple days to give you guys like an honest review. I couldn't just take it around the street and say, hey, yeah, they're fantastic. So it's actually 1 week later exactly, almost exactly to the time, which is weird. But I drove to New York twice, and I drove to the train station a couple times, and they're fantastic. First of all, one thing that I know that Kevin said his Brembos are slightly louder than normal. These are, I can't tell any sound difference compared to what stock was. Braking power is a lot better. Now it is new rotors and new pads, so obviously it's going to be better, but they are definitely a lot better than what the stock ones. And I also had the Stop Tech pads on, and now maybe it is because of the rotors, it could be, but these definitely stop way quicker than the Stop Tech pads. The only thing I can't tell is the brake dust. I do have black wheels. They get very, very dirty very, very quick, but it's winter and there's so much salt and shit in there now, you can't really tell. So I'll probably do another review on that. Probably in the springtime, me and Kevin are gonna do another brake challenge video to see Brembo FactionFab versus the stock setup with the FactionFab rotors and pads. So that'll be a cool challenge. Yeah, so far I love them. I've already had 2 people compliment me on the way that the rotors look. Like the way that they're slotted are kind of different than what's normal. I think they're like omnidirectional slots, which are pretty cool. So thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe, but more importantly than that, link in the description. Get entered to win the giveaway. It goes to the end of February, so get entered, win a free exhaust, pitch mount, and we're gonna have a lot more giveaways coming up soon. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next week. Peace.